right here, we are going to be exploring something different. So there's this particular survey we are going to be exploring in a different format. So if this actually works for you, please come back to this particular channel, this particular video, and comment how it was for you. So right here, this is the particular VPN we are going to be using for this. So this is the VPN we are going to be using for this. But before we proceed with this video, if you're coming across this channel for the first time, please do well to subscribe, turn on the bell notification so YouTube can always notify you whenever valuable content like this is being posted in this channel. Now, what I just want you to do is to make sure you also like this video so this video can reach out to more people that are interested in this particular survey. However, if you're yet to join my Telegram channel, it is advisable you click the link on the pinned comment section. You can actually find my Telegram channel link and my WhatsApp group link. Join that so you can actually get updates on other platforms that are personalized that I cannot share right here on this particular channel. Now, with that being said, let's dive into the business of today. So right here, this particular survey, we are going to be trying something different. Like I said earlier, these are peer proxy. So right here, you can see we are not connected. Okay, let me use this medium to also address some issues for some of you that have actually gotten this peer proxy before now. So once you unlock your IP, you're going to be finding it under history right here, or you can actually see it record for those using iPhone. So that is how you can get that. So some of you will get the proxy, the IP, and you still complain that you're not finding your IPs right here. Go over to your history. Don't actually come to your particular place to redeem your CD key. Where you actually redeem your CD key is different from where you are going to be connecting your IPs. This is actually, look at it right here. This is actually the app. That is where you are to connect your peer proxy. But that is not why I'm making this video, okay? So we are not actually using any proxy right here. So I said we are trying something different. That is, we are using this particular VPN. So you can see the name of the VPN right here. This is Super VPN Pro. So we are trying something different. So we are coming right here to select the US. So what we are doing right here is to make sure we are connected to the US because the particular survey actually runs well with the United States. Now, this is actually what you're going to be doing. You just have to hold on. Let this display finish. Then we can close this. Let's close this. So right here, you can see that is the US, United States. So click on connect right here. So we are connecting right here. You can see that for yourself. So I'm going to be showing you something different. So let's try this and see how it goes. So you can see connected. So let's confirm this. Let's come over to our browser. Let's come right here. Let's just do some IP checks right here. Let's say WA. Let's see WA.net. No, let's see WA.net. Okay, so let's confirm our IP check. Okay, so okay, our discuss is actually 90. Okay, that is good. This is United States. So right now, this is the name of this platform. Leo Ledger. So I just need to be very fast with this particular update. This is Leo Ledger. So this is actually the particular survey. Once you click on that, I'm going to be explaining some things you need to know about it. Remember the VPN I used. You can also try that, and if it works for you, make sure you come back right here to let us know. Now, this is actually called a Leo Ledger. That is the name of this particular survey. So right here, when you come down right here, you can see that you can get completed surveys on Leo, and you earn points which can be redeemed through gift cards. Now, there are so many platforms that you can redeem your point through gift cards, and many people actually found it very difficult. Now, this particular platform has options for you to redeem via gift card and also withdraw via PayPal. So right here, you can see the gift cards we have right here. Now, when you come right here, you can actually see that this is actually a survey where you can start right now and you can get access to it. Now, this is what we are going to be doing right now. Now, we are going to be exploring this and I'm going to be showing you how it works. So you can see right here, it says when you complete Leo surveys, you will earn points you can redeem for rewards like gift cards, PayPal transfer, and more. All right. So you can come down right here and view all rewards, so you can get to know how you can get rewards while taking this particular offer. So when we come right here, you can see featured PayPal and redeem MasterCard. You can see that right here, and you can see the PayPal transfer, redeem your points for a $20 PayPal transfer. Now when you actually accumulated your points, before it was actually $10 on this particular platform. Once you have about $10, you can withdraw your earnings. So right now it has been increased to $20, so we don't have issues with that. All we just need to do is to make sure we are accumulating more points for ourselves. So you can see the PayPal, the Uber, the different gift cards right here, so you can see them right here. So these are the means of cashing out your earnings. So these are also extra chances you can use to accumulate some points for yourself. Now let me walk you through the process of registration so you can get to understand the registration process. Now when you click on login right here, it will bring you over to an interface where you have to log in, but you will be setting an account for yourself. So once you're here, you can see email and password. So let's say we are coming for the first time, we just need to come down to new account. So once we click on new account, these are the details that are required of you. So we are going to be putting in our first name right here. Let me say this is my first name and this is my last name. This is my last name, and I put in my email address. Okay, so let me put in a password. So you see the process of registration that is very easy. So I'm going to enter my password. So once I'm done, so let me re-enter my password. You can see that there's no space for you to actually confirm your password, like seeing what you're typing. You can't view your password from here, but you can actually type this somewhere else and come back right here to always paste it. So terms and conditions needs to be accepted. Okay, so right here you can come right here and insert a referral code, so you can leave that is optional. If you choose to use my referral code, you are going to be finding mine attached to the pinned comment section. It is actually a bonus to me. Okay, so it is optional. Then we'll come down right and click on complete. So you can see we detected that you are trying to use Leo with a VPN for security reason. Your connection is locked. Please disable your VPN to use Leo. So right here, I just make sure I am doing this, so you're seeing that. So there are so many people that are saying they want to use free VPN for this. You can actually see that you can actually use this free VPN for this. So when you come down to your account right here, this is actually the VPN. Remember I said we are trying something new. So super proxy is not actually what is good for this survey. So what we are going to be doing is to disconnect this. Okay, so once we disconnect that, you just have to wait for this ad to play. Okay, so once it's done, we are going to confirm disconnecting this particular VPN. So what I'm going to do right here is to come down right here and close this. You can see disconnected. So let me close this. This is out of it. So this is actually a risky one, but I'm actually doing this just to make a video so you can know that you can't use that VPN on this particular platform. It's actually a survey that requires your honest opinion, and they are not that strict. So right here, I'm going to make use of my IP. You can see I have two IPs. So what I'm going to do right now is to come over to control. Then I come down to proxy. Come down to proxy list. As you can see right now, most of you are asking, I want to get United Kingdom proxy, I want to get different proxy, I want to get this, I want to get that. Just come right here and type in the country and you are having that. So this is actually when you come right here and type the US, you are going to be getting the US proxy. These are all what you can get. So this is not very difficult. Just come right here and you're going to be getting that. So let's go over to this first one right here, and I'm going to come down here and connect this. Okay, I'm going to come down here and connect this. Now this is what I want to make clear to you also. When you are using a peer proxy, this residential proxy, it actually lasts for 24 hours or more. Yes, when you are done, you can turn it off. Okay, you can come here, turn it on, turn it off. When you're not using it, you turn it off. That is the advantage you have on proxy. So when you come over to your history right here, you can see that you have it activated. That is your popular plan. Under your popular plan, that is what you're going to be having. So we already are connected to the peer proxy. So let's go back to this site and refresh. So I'm going to come right here. Going back to registration, so these are the details. So I click on complete. So that is the power of Proxy. You can see account creation in progress. We didn't get the same message we got where we are using that VPN. So that is what you can tend to get when you use Proxy. I keep on saying that Peer Proxy happens to be one of the best when it comes to taking surveys. So right here, this is your account, and this is what you are to see when you create your account. Now, some of you will be asking, how do I go about it? Come over to this hamburger icon right here. You can see today, to do today, your history, your rewards, your badge. So let's go over to rewards. Your rewards can be redeemed through PayPal and gift card. So you can see that right here. You can see that right here. 20,000 Leo points, $20 PayPal transfer. So I don't want to talk much on this. I said something about the gift card. So now, how do you start taking these surveys? Okay, let's go over to do today. So when you come right here, you can see activate your Leo account. So you need to answer this survey. That is what you need to do, and that is going to give you 500 Leo points. That is about 5 minutes. You have 5 chances. So let's come right here and click on answer this survey. But before that, okay, let's go ahead to take this survey. Let's go ahead to take the surveys. When you set up your account, you are going to be seeing some features. So click on answer this survey. So once you click on answer the survey, you are going to be brought into this interface. Okay, so let's just hold on so it actually loads up. So you can see, welcome, thank you for interest in joining Leo, where you get paid to give your opinion. So we are going to click on next right here. Okay, your privacy is important. All the information you share on Leo is kept strictly confidential. So let's click on next. Okay, so you are going to be answering these profile questions, your year and date of birth. So we are going to be inserting a year right here. Let's say we are going with 2000, year and day, let's say 23. Okay, month, let's say 09/23, and we'll click on next. Okay, what is your sex? What is your sex at birth? Okay, just male, gender, male. So let's just answer these questions. Leo conducts representative surveys across North America. We are asking the questions on the following pages. Okay. Let's go with Florida. Zip code. So you need a zip code to start. So we are getting our zip code from where? Let me come right here and see if this zip code is gonna work out for me. Okay, I actually want to do this in your own front. So let's come right here. Let's come down to Proxy. So we have a zip 44118. Let's see if it's gonna work. 44118, 44118. Is that it? Okay, let's click on next. Okay, that is the zip code I use. So you can see that English. So you just need to answer all this. So I just need to be fast about it. You can go through this separated, single, legally married. Okay, education. When you check some of my videos, you are going to be seeing how to answer this question. So I don't need to be making this very long. Okay, I don't need to be making this very long. So I just want to get something in this video. So we come right here and click on next. Okay, how many people in each of the following live in your home, including yourself? So these are just some profiling questions you need to answer. Teenage age 13 to 17. Okay, let me go with this. So right here, you can actually see that you need a mobile number. So I made so many videos on how you can get a US number on this my channel. You can go ahead to check that. But what I'll be using right on this platform is actually this one that is called Receive SMS Online. You are going to find the video right on this channel. So it is called Receive SMS Online. As you can see, a valid phone number in Canada or the United States is required to redeem points, and the use of temporary phone number is prohibited. So right here you can see, to ensure security and confidentiality of members, phone numbers can only be changed once per year with 30 days period before submitting new claim. Now I made a video on how you can get a free US number for completely 1 month. If you actually need that in this video, go down below and type in Leo survey, and I'll be replying you with a video link to watch that so you can get your free US number for this particular survey. So I'm going to be ending this video right here because I don't actually want to proceed in creating this account right now. Okay, so thank you for watching this video to this point. If you have any question regarding this particular survey, please feel free to drop your comments on the comment section below, and I'll be glad to give response to that. Now, see you on my next video and keep winning. Don't forget to always use the link below the pinned comment section to join my Telegram channel and my WhatsApp group, where you can actually get some personalized content that can be helpful to you. See you on my next video and keep winning.